Welcome to belly breath. Begin by finding a tall, comfortable seated position, one that allows your spine to rise freely while staying relaxed. Feel your sitting bones grounding evenly into the surface beneath you. Your shoulders gently roll back and down, opening your heart. Let your palms rest softly on your thighs, facing down to ground, and center your energy. When you're ready, close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in and exhale fully, releasing all tension. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm, soft, steady, calm. Now bring your attention to the base of your spine, the space at your pelvic floor. Visualize a warm, glowing sphere of deep red light. This is your root chakra, your foundation of safety and stability. With each inhale, breathe new energy into this space. With each exhale, feel yourself anchored, steady, supported by the earth itself. Silently affirm, I am grounded, I am safe, I belong. Move your awareness a few inches below your navel, sensing a radiant orange glow, expanding with each breath. This is your sacral chakra, the center of emotion, creativity, and flow. Inhale warmth and pleasure into this space. Exhale, releasing old emotional blocks. Affirm softly, I am creative, I am fluid, I honor the flow of life within me. Bring your attention to the area just above your navel, glowing with golden yellow light, your solar plexus chakra. This is your center of confidence, personal power, and strength. Breathe into this light as it shines brighter with each inhale. Feel its warmth radiate outward, empowering you. Affirm, I am strong, I am capable, I shine with confidence. Now shift your focus to the center of your chest, glowing with vibrant green light. This is your heart chakra, the home of love, compassion, and peace. Inhale deeply into this space. Exhale, allowing love to expand through your entire being. Affirm, I am open to love. I forgive. I am love itself. Bring awareness to your throat, where a soft blue light shines. This is your throat chakra, your center of truth and expression. Breathe in clarity. Exhale authenticity. Feel your voice clear and open. Affirm, I speak my truth with ease and grace. Move your attention between your eyebrows. A glowing indigo light radiates here. This is your third eye chakra, the center of intuition and inner knowing. With each inhale, you awaken wisdom. With each exhale, you release illusion. Affirm, I trust my intuition. I see with clarity and insight. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head, your crown chakra, glowing in brilliant violet or white light. This is your connection to higher consciousness, divine energy, and unity with all. Inhale divine light from above. Exhale gratitude. Affirm, I am connected. I am whole. I am one with all that is. Now imagine a beautiful waterfall of radiant white light flowing down from your crown, gently washing through your third eye, your throat, your heart, your solar plexus, your sacral, and your root. Each energy center glows brighter, aligned and balanced, forming a single column of luminous harmony. Take a deep, cleansing breath in and release. begin to bring small movements back into your body, rolling your shoulders, wiggling your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this radiant balance into your day